I was around same case BSc and Ramenda Ghana Hanmama, Nigerian Abrantia, what in fear Adriana, a 40-year-old Nigerian boxer. And then Gabriel or Larry Waju, in fact, were Twananum, Ewa and Sedo, and Brana on the Ghanaian Abrantia Feno, John Imbanugu, Edgesia can El Bukumbenku boxing arena. Now, in this video, I'm going to Penyah Abrantia and Efasu Ewuye Abra, na owo ring mo live match, and a wooye, just and yes. Omopon match nimpo original boxing ring mu na ebusia ho wawu in fact ni woni there abia one of the mysterious death and me to end of this particular video so bia obehwe the isi e kwanya ni wo no e fast be na so akere adwen e wo comment section I Penyah blog media mezo say ni di mo obe like video na da obe subscribe button so na ba click the notification icon for latest updates na ba kire adwen da ma e wo comment section mezo so ba so no share video mo na so enya bi ahwe and you know say among African countries no boxing tournament cost in the I say Ghana any other countries in every day be a match said the African Cup of Nations match cost na sana African boxing tournament so cost in the it enra and Ghana any Nigeria for ADC can Accra Bukumbenku Arena I say Ghana ni Abrantia represent Ghana no John Imbanugu and Nigeria Abrantia refer no Gabriel or Larry Waju. It is a Entokwana air question I was being this year so very much in Kwana. Na Nigerian Abrantiano, he was gaining momentum over the Ghanaian. Now on Kwana air book Ghanaian Abrantian, in fact, not even him say at the end of the match in there. The Nigerian guy will win the match because he was having none of the punches and watching the BBR was on point. But OPN in says a Ghanaian Abrantian Kwana tried the and can Nigerian, Nigerian engine on the more. I was saying, Buashi, Wonsum, Yadugo Pia Sabia. Yes, we just say, oh, boxing ring anymore. Young Chan, young share this particular video in the Emra. Now, so to the wide comment section.
The light heavyweight, sure you know, some boxers who have made their name. And currently, when you look at the light heavyweight, the world champion says Dmitry Bivol, man from Russia. He claimed that title from Beta BF after the first fight he lost to Beta BF now becoming the losing side, whereas Dmitry Bivol is now currently the light heavyweight champion. We have a couple of boxers, the likes of David Benavides, also lurking around in the light heavyweight. You have our own Joshua Boachi, hailing from United Kingdom, born in Ghana here, also in the light heavyweight division. And here in Ghana Bukum Boxing Arena, we have John Imbanugu and Gabriel Oluwasegun in the ring here to show what they are made of in the light heavyweight division. And the two boxers have started to pile up the heat a bit, raising the tempo. Gabriel Oluwasegun and John Imbanugu. Gabriel wants to show his slick nature, and which he should be careful there. Gabriel trying to search the jab there, but Imbanugu using the jab there on Gabriel, trying to create openings there. And the inside fight between both boxers, let's see. And it's Gabriel who is trying to show some slick moment, but Imbanugu is always marching on. Imbanugu and Gabriel, good one there from Gabriel. Last 10 seconds clap, and Gabriel trying to move as he had that last seconds clap. And let's see, this is two boxers who have decided to show their grit, but in the first round, I'm sure both boxers wants to size each other. Sure, as the rounds travels, we are going to see the tempo rising a bit, and Gabriel Oluwasegun and John Mbanugu. Here we go, the second round of Gabriel Oluwasegun and John Mbanugu. And as I said, in the second round, I can see that the tempo is picking up a bit. You can see that both fighters have decided to have a stance. And look at that double punches there from Mbanugu on Gabriel. Gabriel took that one well. High guard from both boxers. And let's see Mbanugu trying to work on Gabriel, but Gabriel also standing tall in front of Mbanugu. And it was a good job there from Mbanugu on Gabriel. Gabriel keeping a high guard there. Mbanugu trying to search space in the defense of Gabriel. Good double punches there from Mbanugu on Gabriel. Gabriel tried to get in with some uppercut, lacked the power there. Good right hand there from Mbanugu. Wild miss there from Gabriel. Gabriel searching for that haymaker. But it is Mbanugu who is keeping it simple and fundamental. Using the jab, and creating openings. And there goes Gabriel. Mbanugu also tried to reply him. And it's all about making sure you punch and be precise with your punch. So left chop in there from Gabriel, but didn't get that success. Mbanugu and Gabriel. Good one there from Mbanugu. But Gabriel is still standing in front of him, and this time around he is good. And look, Gabriel. Now he turns the heat there, and Mbanugu still using the jab, but Gabriel is also right hand there from Gabriel, and Gabriel, anytime Mbanugu punches him, he also claps his head, but he needs to stay focused because punches being landed on you are being counted by the judges. That was a good head movement there from Gabriel. Jab. Mbanugu also wanting to get in with those uppercut and right hand, but this time around Gabriel read him well. And there's Mbanugu. And Gabriel might be feeling the power from Mbanugu, and right hand there, snap the head of Gabriel from Mbanugu. And let's see, last 10 seconds clap there, and both fighters, who's gonna get a last straw? And there goes the bell to end the second round between Gabriel Oluwasegun and John Mbanugu. Wow. The second round, I've seen the tempo rise between these two boxers, Mbanugu and Gabriel. Look how Mbanugu always time Gabriel. And look at that uppercut there, getting through for Gabriel. Look at that right punch there from Mbanugu, and look at Gabriel reacting on that from that right punch from Mbanugu. And he did that again here.
Seconds out. Round 3.
Here we go for the third round for this light heavyweight contest between John Mbanugu. He's the boxer in the white trunks taking on Gabriel Oluwasegun, the boxer in the red and white trunks. In the fight taking up the center stage, both fighters try to use the jab. And it is Mbanungu and Gabriel. And it seems that Mbanungu and Gabriel have decided to change the tack getting into this third round, and it is Gabriel who has tended to be throwing and double up with his punches there, but Mbanungu also. And it is Gabriel who was searching the body there, but Mbanungu read him well. And the body shot there from Gabriel. Mbanungu also tried to react and reply with a flurry of punches there, but Gabriel always keeping a high guard there. Gabriel trying to counter and get Mbanungu. Uppercut there from Gabriel. Lacked what he was searching for, but did a couple of damage on Mbanungu. And Mbanungu tries to react there with some flurry of punches there, and there goes a right hand there from Mbanungu, and Gabriel still standing in front of Mbanungu and not really throwing any punch from Gabriel. I thought he should react and reply from those punches coming from. There's a left punch there from Gabriel. Mbanungu took it well there. Mbanungu still staying focused there, and Gabriel needs to stay focused there. Both fighters tend to get in with an inside fight, and it is Gabriel who, anytime they go in with that inside fight, I feel he's having some success there with those uppercuts that he's getting through. But Mbanungu, when it comes to the jab placement, he's having those success. Let's go with a Philly shell there, but that might not be a good idea on Gabriel, because Mbanungu always get that right hand getting through. A double punches there from Gabriel, and oh my goodness, Gabriel just went down there, and oh my goodness, Gabriel. Well,
I think Gabriel is in trouble.
Yeah.
I think he's in trouble.
Gabriel might be in trouble, and they need to really get the mouth gum out from his mouth before they can administer certain. And you can see the ring doctors rushing on him to really get him back to his conscious level. And well, Prince, I didn't really see what really made Gabriel went down there. I thought he was standing
He went down,
toe-to-toe.
but he went down heavily too.
Yeah.
And maybe the replay will give us a fair idea.
Well, he keeps punching his head. I thought this shouldn't be something that Gabriel shouldn't be doing, because you are receiving punches from your opponents, then you also punch yourself. And okay, so here, and oh my goodness, and he didn't land well. He landed on the ropes before going down on the canvas, and I'm just hoping. Let's see here what really caused Gabriel to go down like that. What is a point from Mbanungu, or it could be something else. Look, at this point,
he lost it. You could see the eyes
going off there from
he lost it.
Gabriel, and he set up with an uppercut there, Gabriel, and Mbanungu tried to jab, not a jab that will worry Gabriel to send him down there. And look at his leg. And look at the eyes from Gabriel. Oh, and he went down there. The man on your screen there is John Mbanungu, and we are just hoping to see if they can revive Gabriel Oluwasegun.
The doctor, the medical staff, they're all working on him round the clock. Let's hope that he's not in any bad condition. But clearly, as he went down, you could see that he was losing it. His eyes were all rolling out. Well, they managed to stabilize him.
Yeah.
I think the gum is out, and
the gum is out, yeah.
He should be out of danger for now.
Yeah.
Thankfully, the medics are here. The ambulance is on standby, ready to take him away.
He started off with an uppercut there, Gabriel, but this is where Mbanugu tried to get in with them right, but this is not a punch that was sent. But look at the eyes of Gabriel. Oh my goodness. You could see that there is something wrong with Gabriel. He fell down, not as a result of a punch, but it could be something even heavier than a punch. Losing his legs there, and he just went down there.
He still hasn't moved though.
Yeah.
And he'll be whisked off to the hospital.
Yeah.
ASAP. The medics have done the phone call as quickly as they can, and the Kolibu Teaching Hospital has been put on standby. And we just hope and pray that he gets well. Mbanugu looking very worried, but we'll walk through the process again. And there he lost it. He lost it and went down. He lost it and went down. The legs were wobbling. The legs first gave way, and then his eyes went off. He landed awkwardly. And thankfully, he's been whisked away into the ambulance. And Johnny Mbanugu doesn't look too happy. Yeah, a little bit of worry on the faces of our visitors here. But let's just hope and pray that all will be well with Gabriel Oluwasegun Olarinwaju. So unfortunately, Gabriel went down, and he's been whisked off to the hospital.
On Match TV, and today it's Saturday night number 15 of the ongoing Bell 7-Star Professional Boxing League here in Ghana. Well, we're witnessing something very, very sad, but our medical team, under the leadership of Mr. Edward Addo, a qualified physician and staff from the National Ambulance Service, they are working on it. You all saw what happened in the fight, but we have the verdict here. We'll give the verdict and we can move on with the next bout of the evening. And we'll wish the boxer Gabriel, we'll wish him a speedy recovery. So we have the verdict in round number 3 by a technical knockout, 2 minutes 46 seconds. The winner, ladies and gentlemen, from the red corner, John Power Mbanungu. Thank you very much, John. Well, you've won the fight, but your opponent has been stretched off the ring and know by now he's on his way to the hospital. How do you feel?
I feel excited, but I'm hoping and praying so that it will get well.
You are excited that you've won the fight, but when it comes to the condition of your colleague, you are praying that he will get well, very well. So how would you describe the fight?
Oh, it was amazing because my opponent is from Nigeria. It's not a Ghanaian. I don't know him, he don't know me. We are just boxing, but everything happened in the ring, so you just hope and pray things will be okay.
Now, viewers want to understand what happened. Was it a jab? Was it a punch? What happened?
I was throwing, but along the way, I don't know. I think there is something wrong somewhere, but I don't know.
You just delivered a punch and you saw him going down?
Yes.
Okay, finally, what message do you have for us?
I just thank everybody here. Those who have been supporting boxing, they should keep supporting boxing. So I'll get to the...
So this is how the match went and everything happened. Like seriously, like joke. This is how everything went. Just a guy no try the crown. Johnny Banu will try the crown and can Nigerian. Oh, January the night I started was and one so. Obushi and say that few points now. Ghana need to be a weekend. Don't know, he said. Even the commentators crying no one more or who said no, Nigerian there was something wrong with them because Ghana in the church the crown cannot. What I say? He just went blackout. Nenina says oh Lucy, he just lost it. And it was we Abia Hosempa, Buku Banku Boxing Arena, another at the way I just say Nigerian brand 40-year-old what one and anom. Ewa NCA. Chidawadi Mame, Ewa comment session. I Penyah Blog Media, Macro.